Welcome to our podcast series where we uncover the stories and innovation driving the business world. Today, we are diving into the world of transportation and technology to unpack the phenomenon that is Uber. I am Naufal, your host, and I am excited to explore this transformative company with you.
Hi everyone, I am Jessie and I'm eager to dive into Uber's story. So Naufal, what exactly is Uber?
Great question. Uber, founded in 2009, is a transportation technology company that revolutionized the way people move around cities. It's a platform that connects riders with drivers through a mobile app, allowing users to request rides conveniently and swiftly.
Oh, so it's essentially a ride-hailing service?
Exactly, but it's more than just ordering a ride. Uber offers a range of services like Uber App for everyday rides, Uber Pool for share rides, Uber Eats for food delivery, and even premium options like Uber Black or Uber Lux for a more luxurious experience.
That's quite a diverse range of services. What sets Uber apart from traditional taxis?
One of the key distinctions is the convenience and accessibility it offers. With Uber, users can request a ride from anywhere using their smartphones, track the arrival of their driver in real time, and pay seamlessly through the app.
That sounds convenient, but how does Uber ensure safety and quality?
Great question. Uber has various safety measures in place. They conduct background checks on drivers, allow users to see driver ratings and reviews, and offer features like real-time tracking and emergency assistance. It's all about fostering trust and ensuring a reliable experience.
And how has Uber impacted transportation and society?
Uber has transformed urban mobility, providing an alternative to traditional taxis and public transportation. It's improved accessibility, reduced reliance on personal vehicles, and create income opportunities for drivers. However, it also faces regulatory challenges in some cities due to its disruptive nature.
Fascinating. So, what's next for Uber?
The future seems to hold further advancement in technology, potential expansion into new markets, and a focus on innovation like autonomous vehicles. Uber's trajectory continues to evolve in reshaping how we think about transportation. Alright, now let's move on to our next topic about Uber. Uber's marketing is fascinating. They have excelled in creating a brand that's synonymous with convenience and reliability. Right from the start, Uber focused on disrupting the traditional taxi industry through a combination of smart branding and tech-savvy strategies.
How did they manage to create such a strong brand presence?
Well, they crafted a powerful narrative. Uber positioned itself not just as a ride-hailing service, but as a lifestyle choice. Their everyone private driver tagline and sleek branding communicate luxury and accessibility simultaneously.
Interesting. Did they use any specific marketing channels or that this?
Absolutely. Their use of social media was brilliant. Uber leveraged platforms like Twitter and Facebook for engagement and promotion. They also implemented referral programs where both riders and drivers could earn incentives by referring others, fostering a community-driven growth strategy.
How did they manage to build trust through their marketing?
Trust was a crucial aspect. Uber utilized customer testimonials, emphasizing safety features, driver background checks, and seamless payment options to build confidence. They also employed influencer marketing, collaborating with personalities to amplify their brand image.
Did they face any challenges in their marketing journey?
Certainly, especially concerning regulatory hurdles and public perception. Uber faced criticism and legal battles in various regions. Their marketing had to navigate these challenges while maintaining their brand integrity.
Impressive. What might be their future marketing strategies?
The future seems to be about reinforcing trust and embracing innovation. They will likely continue leveraging technology, investing in personalized marketing, and expanding their services to retain and attract users.
Alright guys, we already discussed about Uber marketing strategy. So let's move into another one. Okay Naufal, what stands out to you about Uber leadership?
Uber's leadership has been both dynamic and controversial. From its founding by Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp to subsequent transition, the leadership at Uber has played a pivotal role in shaping its trajectory.
How did Travis Kalanick influence Uber early leadership?
Travis Kalanick was a visionary leader who drove Uber's rapid expansion. His boldness, innovative mindset, and focus on disruption propelled the company into global prominence. However, his leadership style was also criticized for its aggressive approach.
How did Uber's leadership evolve over time?
With changes in leadership, including Dara Khosrowshahi taking over as CEO, Uber underwent a significant cultural shift. There was a strong emphasis on transparency, accountability, and rebuilding trust with stakeholders after past controversies.
Did Uber face challenges in its leadership journey?
Absolutely. Navigating controversies, legal battles, and internal cultural issues posed significant challenges. The leadership had to adapt, restructure, and implement changes to steer Uber through these turbulent times.
How did leadership impact Uber's future direction?
Leadership decisions continue to shape Uber's trajectory. Under new leadership, there's a renewed focus on innovation, sustainability, and regulatory compliance. The emphasis now seems to be on balancing growth with responsible practices.
Fascinating. What made the future hold for Uber's leadership?
The future seems to be about maintaining stability, fostering a positive culture, and staying adaptable in a rapidly evolving market. Strong leadership will be a key in navigating the company through future challenges.
Let's continue with Uber's initial funding. How did they kickstart their financial journey?
Uber's yearly funding came from seed rounds among friends and family, but things took a significant turn when they secured substantial investment from venture capital firms like Benchmark Capital, fueling their rapid expansion.
Impressive stat. So, what was the impact of their IPO on Uber's financial landscape?
Going public was monumental for Uber. It helped them raise massive capital, but it also spotlighted their challenges in achieving profitability, which affected investor sentiment.
Profitability has indeed been a focal point. How has Uber managed its financial performance post IPO?
Their revenue continued to surge, but profitability remained elusive due to heavy investment in research and development, along with aggressive expansion into new ventures like Uber Eats and self-driving technology.
Quite the balancing act. How did Uber finance this expansion?
They have employed diverse strategies, including equity raises through public offering and debt financing through bonds and loans. Also, acquisition and partnership were financed through a mix of cash and stock deals.
Looking ahead, what do you foresee in Uber's future financing strategies?
I believe they will continue diversifying their funding sources, exploring innovative financial instruments, and potentially seeking strategic partnership to fund their ongoing expansion and technological advancement.
Fascinating insight, Naufal. Thank you for this enlightening conversation on Uber's financing strategies.
Always a pleasure discussing the financial side of Uber's journey. Okay, Jessie, what was Uber's game-changing innovation in the transportation industry?
Uber's introduction of a seamless mobile app for ride-hailing was a revolutionary. it's disrupted the traditional taxi industry, providing users with convenience and transparency in booking rides.
Exactly. Their utilization of GPS technology for real-time tracking and dynamic pricing algorithm was a significant breakthrough, offering both drivers and riders a more efficient and adaptable system.
Impressive. Uber's not just about ride sharing now. What are some recent innovations driving Uber's expansion?
Well, Uber has been making strides in autonomous driving technology. Their investment in self-driving cars and partnership with tech companies reflect their commitment to this innovation. And let's not forget about Uber Eats. This move into food delivery was a savvy expansion, leveraging their existing infrastructure and technology to cater to a new market segment.
How does Uber continue to innovate in a rapidly evolving industry?
They are exploring electric vehicles to reduce their carbon footprint and investing in multimodal transportation solutions, integrating bikes, scooters, and public transit options into their app. Additionally, their focus on safety innovation like real-time ID checks for drivers and enhanced security features in the app demonstrate their commitment to user safety.
That's impressive, but innovation comes with challenges. What hurdles has Uber faced in implementing this innovation?
Regulatory hurdles have been a major challenge, especially with autonomous vehicles. Additionally, cultural shift and consumer acceptance of new technologies also prevent obstacles. Absolutely, maintaining trust and addressing concerns about data privacy and security has been an ongoing challenge as they introduce new services and technologies.
Looking ahead, what do you think will be Uber's next big innovation?
I believe they will focus on creating a more seamless and integrated urban mobility experience, possibly combining various modes of transportation within a single app. We might see further advancements in autonomous driving and perhaps initiatives that cater to the growing demand for sustainable transportation.
Fascinating insight. Thank you, Naufal, for this enlightening discussion on Uber's innovation. Naufal, for the last topic, we have Uber initial business strategy. What set them apart in the beginning?
Uber's brilliance lay in disrupting the taxi industry. Their tech-driven approach, tapping into smartphone ads for ride-hailing, completely transformed the user experience.
Absolutely. So, how has Uber evolved its business planning since those early days?
Well, they have extended beyond ride-sharing, delving into various services like Uber Eats and Uber Freight. Their ambition expanded to becoming an all-encompassing urban mobility platform.
Impressive pivot. With such expansion, what were the key challenges Uber encountered?
Regulatory hurdles were massive roadblocks, especially when entering new markets. Balancing innovation and navigating diverse regulation was quite a tightrope walk.
And profitability has been a hot topic. How does Uber manage to plan for growth while striving for profitability?
They have been balancing between aggressive expansion and cost efficiency. Initiatives like investment in autonomous vehicles and diversification into delivery services aim to drive future profitability.
Interesting. Looking ahead, what's on the horizon for Uber's business planning?
Sustainability will likely take center stage. Uber may also explore further diversification, potentially integrating more environmentally friendly transportation options into their platform.
Absolutely, adapting to the changing landscape. Thanks, Naufal, for this insightful conversation on business planning strategies.
Always a pleasure discussing these fascinating business strategies. And that concludes our exploration into the dynamic world of Uber marketing strategies. From its inception, Uber has not just disrupted transportation, it's redefined how we perceive convenience and mobility. I am Naufal, your host, and it's been an insightful journey dissecting the marketing brilliance behind this revolutionary company.
Indeed, Naufal, Uber's ability to merge technology and branding has left an indelible mark on the industry. Their evolution from a mere ride-hailing app to a lifestyle choice is truly remarkable.
Absolutely. Their strategic use of branding, social media, and community building set a high bar for modern marketing approaches. It's evident that while Uber faced challenges, they adapt and thrive.
It's fascinating how they navigate challenges while maintaining a strong brand presence and customer trust. It will be intriguing to see how Uber continues to innovate in the future.
Indeed, the road ahead seems to be paved with further technological advancement, potential market expansion, and a continuous focus on user experience. And with that, we conclude today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Uber marketing journey.
Thank you everyone for tuning in. Stay tuned for more insight into the strategies behind today's most influential companies. Until next time.